Hello and welcome to this week's tutorial for block 11, which is called the horizontal relief stitch, but I'm calling it my metal tin roof out on my chicken coop. It's my tin roof block, and let me show you why. I've started across what will be our row 2 on this block, but let me flip my work over and show you all of the beautiful little tin roof ridges that are going to be across our work. They're really cute. And it really just depends on once you get your work done, you'll see all of these little ridges start to pop up. They look like little rows on a tin roof. So let's go over the stitches that we'll be using for this block. I'm going to turn my work back over. Now this stitch will be familiar to you from one of the blocks that we've already done prior, and that is the front post double crochet. So we're going to review that very quickly, and then I'm going to complete this row, come back and show you the second stitch we're going to need to know for this block. So to review our front post double crochet, we're going to be working around the entire post of this next stitch right here. We're going to yarn over. We're going to go before that whole post. We're going to go in from the front, around the post, and back out the front again. So we have captured the entire post on our hook here. We're going to yarn over and grab our yarn and pull it back through and let that post drop off of our hook. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and we've just completed a double crochet around the post of this prior stitch, and we did this by going in from the front, so it is a front post double crochet. Let's do one more. We're going to work around the post in our very next stitch, which is right here. We're going to yarn over. We're going to enter our work from the front, going around that post and coming back out the front again. We have our post on our hook. We're going to grab our yarn, yarn over, and pull that back through, letting that entire post come off of our hook. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to work all the way across the rest of my row here, and then we're going to go on the opposite side, and I'm going to show you the back post double crochet that we'll need to work, and that's going to give us these ridges. Okay, now that we've reviewed our front post double crochet, let's look at the back post double crochet that we'll be working on this block. Much like the front post double crochet, we're going to be working on our next stitch every time here, and we're going to be working around the post. We're not going to be working in the loops on top of our stitch. We're going to be working around the post of our stitch. What's different is this time we're going to be approaching this stitch from the back of our work, not the front of our work. So let's do this one right here. This is the post we're going to work around for our back post double crochet. We're going to yarn over, and instead of going in the front, we're going to come up from the back of our work. We're going to go across that post and back out the back, capturing that post on our hook, but it's on the back of our work, see? We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull our yarn through all the way to the back, and sometimes it just takes a little bit of a twist of the hook to make sure that your yarn doesn't fall off. It's a little tricky sometimes. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to complete our double crochet by yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that takes all of our front loops and back loops and it pushes them to this side of our work. So we've completed that back post double crochet around this post right here. You can see it there. Let's work around the very next post, which is right here. Again, we're going to yarn over. We're going to dip down. See how we're kind of like capturing the yarn on the hook, but we're going to dip down and come up through our work from the back, going across our post and back out the back again. We've captured the post onto our hook here. We're going to yarn over so we can pull our yarn back through our work And again, sometimes you kind of have to twist that hook a little bit so that that doesn't fall off. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do one more for our tutorial. Yarn over, determine where your next post is. We just completed around this post, so we're going to go around this post, coming in from the back, over our post and out the back again, grabbing our yarn and pulling it through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So for block 11, our horizontal relief stitch, which I'm calling fondly my tin roof, practice the front post double crochet and the back post double crochet, and we'll meet up later in the week and we will complete the entire block together. Until I see you then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.